guys, today we're going to install a nice RGB LED kit I got from CARXK. This is a RGB LED strip inside a tube with a connector, of course, that connects to this box. To cut the stripe, it's very easy. You just peel off the tape and you see when you get to these 3 copper lines, just cut it in the middle. Here we go. And this is how it looks. There are 3 wires. You have one black and one red, which goes to plus and minus. Then you have the indicators left and right. And you have this excellent remote, which is operated by radio, so you don't need to point it anywhere. It works even if you put it under the table. You can change the colors. Amazing, eh? Nice. But this is supposed to be the white when you press the white button. And this is the driving light. And when you put on the indicator, it will look like this. It's a little hard to see here, but it will be better on the car. And then, of course, you can play with the remote and all the colors. It looks amazingly nice, eh? And you can change everything on the different modes on the remote. You have plenty of options to play with there. But then again, driving light, and then you can change the colors manually. Yeah. Let's put it on the car and see how it looks. We need to clean the headlight, degrease and everything, so this job is very important. There are some differences on this. This one is flat, and this one is pointing out somewhat. I think this one is the best to put on the outside. So this one will be on the other side. You need to extend the wires because they are so short. So this plier is a nice third hand. Look at this. Excellent. The wiring is quite simple. I picked the red one and connect that one to the parking light bulb down here. The blue one, which is for the left indicator, I have, let's see if you can see this, I have connected that one through this wire and up here, soldered it to the left indicator bulb, positive. Then we took the green wire, which goes all the way to the other side. The green wire is hidden below here, all the way, and it comes back here. So here you can see it, green wire, connect, and again, soldered to the green wire on the right indicator. So that's it really. That's so simple to connect. Forgot one thing, the earth. The earth, of course, is the black wire. And the black wire, see, black wire goes here and into the minus of the battery. Then that's it. Only 4 wires, 1 plus, parking light, 1 minus, the battery, and left and right indicators. Simple! Okay guys, there you have it. Remote control, lot of options. So you have seen only 7 of them. Still a lot to choose from. If you want to check it out, I provide links for it up in the corner and down below so you can see for yourselves. Thanks for looking guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.